Do you want to learn Japanese? Here we will help you learn to write from basics to N4 level. We will guide you from writing basic hiragana and katakana. With us, you will learn Japanese vocabularies, pronunciation, and grammars suited for N5 to N4 level. And finally, you will also learn to write kanji, which will help you in reading stories written in N5 and N4 level kanji. We also included mock tests for JLPT N5 and N4 exams, as well as JFT mock tests to prepare you for the exams. In this video, we will show you a glimpse of what the class looks like.
Orihime wa hikoboshi ni aitakute mainichi naite imashita.
皆さん、おはようございます。はじめまして。私はリオンソン・クリスティンです。クリスティンと呼んでください。28歳で、誕生日は1997年5月24日です。タリサイに住んでいます。 独身です。両親と兄が1人と兄が2人と妹が1人と弟が2人います。趣味は読書と映画を見ることです。どうぞよろしくお願いします。